Welcome to Okinawa, a land where time seems to slow and life flourishes with remarkable longevity. Here, centenarians are not an exception, but a testament to a unique way of life. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the Centenarian Code, exploring ancient wisdom and modern insights. Our journey begins with the profound presence of Okinawa's wise elders, living embodiments of this enduring legacy. Her serene expression reflects a deep connection to the earth and a lifetime of mindful living. She represents generations of wisdom, passed down through stories and daily practices. One of the core tenets of Okinawan longevity is the 90-10 rule of aging. It suggests that our lifestyle choices, not just genetics, predominantly shape our health and lifespan. This powerful principle empowers us to take control of our well-being. The Okinawan diet is a cornerstone of their remarkable health, rich in nutrient-dense foods. Staples like purple sweet potatoes and bitter melon, or goya, are packed with antioxidants. These foods are not just sustenance. They are medicine, contributing to vitality and disease prevention. Beyond what they eat, how Okinawans eat is equally crucial, guided by the principle of Hara Hachi Bu. This ancient wisdom teaches us to eat until we are 80% full, fostering a mindful relationship with food. Observe the meticulous preparation of traditional Okinawan dishes, highlighting fresh, local ingredients. It's a celebration of nature's bounty, prepared with respect and intention. Okinawan longevity is a harmonious blend of scientific understanding and spiritual well-being. Their lifestyle integrates physical activity, strong community bonds, and a deep sense of purpose. The soft, warm lighting throughout Okinawa creates an inviting and contemplative atmosphere. It encourages reflection and a deeper connection to oneself and the world. As we conclude our journey, we return to the wise centenarian, a beacon of Okinawan wisdom. Her gentle smile encapsulates the peace and fulfillment found in a life lived harmoniously. The Centenarian Code is not just about living longer, but living better with purpose and joy. May the wisdom of Okinawa inspire you to awaken your own code for a long, healthy, and joyful life. In a world often defined by individual pursuits, we sometimes forget the profound power of human connection. Today, we explore Moai, a timeless concept from Okinawa, Japan, that embodies the essence of community support. Moai are social support networks, groups of people who commit to each other for life, sharing resources and emotional support. Imagine a life where you are never truly alone, where a safety net of friends and neighbors always catches you. This is the warmth of connection, a stark contrast to the isolation many experience in modern society. Observe the genuine human connection, the shared moments that build a foundation of trust and belonging. Simple acts, like sharing tea, become profound rituals of togetherness, strengthening bonds with every sip. These interactions are more than just social. They are vital for emotional and mental well-being. The subtle glowing blue light particles symbolize social oxytocin, the invisible threads that bind us. Now, let's contrast this with the modern urban landscape, where connection often feels elusive. In crowded spaces, individuals can feel profoundly alone, lost amidst the anonymity of the metropolis. The towering structures and rapid pace can inadvertently foster a sense of disconnection, even despair. But the Moai remind us that nurturing community is a conscious choice, a way of life. It's about shared responsibilities, working together, and finding joy in collective efforts. From daily chores to celebrations, every aspect of life is interwoven with the fabric of the community. The continuous flow of blue light particles signifies the constant exchange of energy and support. This interconnected lifestyle fosters resilience, happiness, and a profound sense of purpose. It's the geometry of the soul, where individual lives form a beautiful, complex pattern of shared existence. Each thread, each person, is essential to the strength and beauty of the whole. This heartwarming and deeply human tone resonates through every interaction, every shared glance. The Moai system is a testament to the enduring power of human bonds, a blueprint for a better way to live. It's a call to reawaken connection in our own lives, to seek out and cultivate our own Moai. Let us learn from their wisdom, embracing the strength and beauty of community in our modern world.
In the tapestry of existence, where threads of time intertwine, we seek a profound truth. A concept whispered through generations, a guiding star for the soul, Ikigai. It is the engine of eternity, the reason for being, the joy and purpose of life. More than a philosophy, Ikigai is a way of living, a path to profound fulfillment. It is found at the intersection of what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. This ancient wisdom, passed down through generations, holds the key to a meaningful existence. Observe the quiet transfer of knowledge, the subtle dance of learning and teaching. Each stroke, each carved line, a lesson in patience, precision, and purpose. These are not just crafts, they are meditations, reflections of a life lived with intention. The wisdom of the elders flows like a river, nourishing the young minds. It is a legacy of values, passed down not just through words, but through shared experiences. In the gentle movements of Tai Chi, we find harmony, balance, and the rhythm of life. Each motion a testament to inner peace, a dance with the universe. Time, often seen as linear, can be transcended by the enduring power of legacy. Our actions echo through eternity, shaping the future, honoring the past. Behold the tree of life, a glowing symbol of DNA, heritage, and interconnectedness. Each leaf, each branch, a life, a story, connected to the grand design. Ikigai reminds us that we are not alone. We are part of a larger community. Through shared activities, quiet contemplation, and mutual support, we thrive. Observe the subtle glow, the blue light particles connecting hearts and minds. This is the essence of social oxytocin, the energy of human connection. It is in these moments of shared purpose that our Ikigai truly blossoms. The journey to Ikigai is a journey inward, a discovery of one's true self. It is a continuous quest, evolving with every sunrise and sunset. And as the day concludes, a profound sense of peace settles upon us. The eternal smile, a reflection of a life lived with purpose and contentment. May you find your Ikigai, your reason for being, your engine of eternity.